Okay? Up. Now let's go back. This time I want to add the hitchhiker and I want to do the entire dance. All 32 counts, one time through. Okay? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Grind, rock, step, jump forward, jump back. Right side shuffle, left side shuffle, jump, across, hold, turn, hold, kick, kick, sailor, shuffle. Okay, you're now facing another wall. Okay, we can't do it with music. We're going to put in the swim, the twist, and the monkey. Okay, now so you know what we're talking about, the swim steps before we actually finish with the swim. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you remember back to those days, people did some pretty silly stuff. Now that 8-count move will come after we have done the dance 4 times before we do the 5th wall, which is the front wall. Now we'll do the dance 4 more times. We come back around to the front wall, and for that 24-count musical bridge, we'll start out with 8 counts of the twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 counts of the swim. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.